tall. There's a shop called County Line where craftsmanship calls. From wood to slate, acrylic to metal too, we design and create with precision just for you. County Line CNC, where quality meets pride. Veteran owned and operated, our skills we don't hide. From rural Montana, our work is renowned. At County Line CNC, excellence is found. So if you need custom pieces that stand the test of time, trust County Line CNC, where craftsmanship shines. In wood, slate, acrylic, and metals all shine. County Line CNC, where your dreams align. Where quality meets pride. Veteran owned and operated, our skills we don't hide. From rural Montana, our work is renowned. At County Line CNC, excellence is found. So if you need custom pieces that stand the test of time, trust County Line CNC, where craftsmanship shines. Wood, slate, acrylic, and metals all shine. County Line CNC, where your dreams align.